Okay, we're gonna try this again, because my phone keeps fucking with me and running out of space. This is the third time I've been recording this thing. I'm not putting shit back together again to show you this. This is fucking starting to really frustrate me. So here's a recap of what we have done. Now, take this good pair of snap ring pliers. I use Leslie or Lyle, L-I-S-L-E. You can pick them up in Advanced Auto Parts. American made, and they're the only snap ring pliers I've ever used that haven't broken or bent or twisted or warped. These things have been fucking awesome. So you need your snap ring pliers, and then the snap ring that sits on top of that, on top of the plate. Hold on, let me show you a little demonstration here. So you got this, right? That's what it looks like inside the ratchet, and then you got a snap ring over that. Fucking should be, it should be simple and easy to understand, figure out, whatever, but some people are stupid. So inside, once you take that plate off and you pop this out, you can actually just grab the square and just pull straight up. You'll see these two little pawls. If you're doing a gear wrench ratchet, sometimes most ratchets though there's only one, and it's a little easier. And just as a disclaimer, I am not getting paid or sponsored by anybody. I'm not a shill or whatever, but I do have an insane bias when it comes to ratchets and other, hand tools. I like gear wrench. I use the 120 XP. I bought a whole kit. Came with this 3/8, a 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch, and a 3/8 stubby, all flex head. It's like $140. You can't fucking beat that. And the swing on these things is so fine. It says only 3 degrees. It's just, oh my god, these things are the greatest, man. I fucking love them. Alright, anyways, if you're doing the gear wrench one, there's two pawls, because it's 120 teeth, and they sit in there like, boop, 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 boop. Jesus Christ. I'm sure you get the idea, but my OCD's pissing me off. They sit in there like that, stacked up on this, and then, they don't do that, but they do that. So, here's what we've got going on here. We got to get these fuckers in there, which means small fingers. Now, I can't do this part with fucking gloves on, so they got to come off. But do you like my new neon gloves? Aren't they fucking tit? Okay, so now if you have, I don't have the know-how or the fucking equipment to do it, but if you know how to magnetize something, that would be really helpful here, so that you can just, something to keep in mind on these, by the way, there is a bottom and there is a top. Don't ask me which one it is, but it doesn't really matter too much. What I've been doing, actually, you know what? This looks like it's the top. And, yeah, okay, that's the top. You'll notice the difference. Okay. Oh, see, this one has got that little cut there. Jesus Christ, focus! Focus. This one's got a little cut there. Whereas this one is just wide the whole way. Now, the reason for that, which I actually, upon making this video, just noticed, you'll see, if my camera would focus, on the switch there, you see the little hood? If you take it apart, you'll see exactly what it looks like on this ratchet specifically. I can't tell you about another one. It's got this little, hood or overhang. This, oh, it's not that one. This one, that little cut is made to go. You see where I'm going with this here? You'll figure it out. So now, hopefully you can see everything I'm doing here. We're gonna put, actually, this goes in after this bottom one. Put the bottom one in there. It doesn't really matter how the switch is positioned. I have it off to the side, and you're gonna angle this, right? And you want to feed it in, just like that. See that? Now that's in. And this, is the fun part. Well, once you've done it a couple times, it's not so bad. Let's try to get you a little closer here. Come on, camera. I just got a new tripod. I'm still learning how to fuck with it. So, we're going to make sure this guy fits right in here. Get in there. Get in there, you whore. Alright, so we're going to be really... What I have done in the past, take your pick, press down on the bottom one you just pressed in so that it doesn't move. Oh, shit, that's not going to work. I forgot I did that with the top one. Now, if you press down, if you put them, stack them on top of each other, right? And if you press them in and press down hard enough, they won't move. You might slip a couple times and maybe stab your finger, but it makes life easier. Punches back in there, and then you got, you know, whoop, nice working smooth ratchet. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. So now I'm gonna spray a little bit more lube in there because I like lube. Just spit on it a little, it'll go in. Now we're gonna wipe some out. So we did go a little overboard there, but it's just enough to get in there on the teeth. Lubricated a little. These things were pretty fucking dry when I pulled them apart the first time. I think they come dry. Maybe they're supposed to come dry, but you know what? I would much rather have my shit lubed. Especially when, you know, metal on metal, just, you know, whatever. Personal preference, I guess. And our awesome fucking things. Ugh! Small little fucking snap ring. And we'll go with this. Make sure we get it in there. Get on there. No! Get on there. What a little cunt. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you rebuild your own Ratchet. So that maybe you don't trust someone else to do it. Maybe you don't want to pay for somebody else to do it. Maybe, you know, you don't... I don't know. It's fucking simple. And if you have to do inner parts, I'm sure you can order them on fucking Amazon or whatever. But that's our guy right there. 120 XP. These things are fucking tit. Their fucking ratcheting wrenches are tit. I like gear wrench. You can call me a gear wrench shill all you want, or come in here and talk all your fucking Snap-on garbage. You know, guess what? I saved like fucking $400 buying this set as opposed to Snap-on. So fuck you, Snap-on. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you guys.